Very good morning, students. Welcome to the chapter Love Your Elders, English Literature. So, students, you know that elders means senior. Okay. So, I have already told you about this story briefly in my previous class. So, now let us discuss about the paragraph one by one. So, before going to the chapter, let's have a look on the keywords. So, today's keywords are became indifferent. It means did not care. Now, next word is gross, means unhappy about giving. Swallow, tolerate or adjust. Now, nominate means choose. Punch, member of panchayat. Abide by, accept or agree. Announce, what is the meaning of announce? Means declare. Allowance means monthly money. Defense means protect or save. Now, last one is else. It means otherwise. So now, students, look at the paragraph. So first paragraph, Juman Sheikh and Alko Chaudhry were good friends, so strong their bond of friendship that when either of them went away from the village, the other looked after his family. Both were greatly respected in the village. So, students, this paragraph is saying that Juman Sheikh and Alko Chaudhry they were good friends. Why? It before they were good friends, and all the villagers also know about his friendship. So, whatever, if any emergency, at the time of emergency, when any one family went to the outside, the other family was taking care of that family, so that they had a great bonding with it. So that for this reason they were respected by the villagers. Now Juman had an old aunt. So Juman Sheikh, he had an old aunt who had some property. So property means you can say here land, land. In Hindi that is Jameen. This she transferred to him on the understanding that she would stay with him and he would look after her. So, what is the meaning of this here? She transferred. She means here that on transferred his property to Juman Sheikh. So, why she transferred to the property to Juman Sheikh? Because she thought that I will stay with Juman Sheikh and also he is taking special care to me so that I should transfer this property to the Juman Sheikh. So thinking about this, finally that old aunt transferred his property to Juman Sheikh. Okay, the arrangement worked well for a couple of years. This arrangement worked well. So here arrangement means that these things we think caring. So take care of that old aunt. Why? When old aunt gave the property to the Juman Sheikh. Here transfer means gave to the Juman Sheikh. Juman Sheikh was also taking a special care. So here arrangement means special care, or he was taking special care of that older, and only that care was for couple of years. You can say only for the 2 years. Then the situation changed. So the situation means that situation. I am talking about the situation of taking care. Okay. Juman and his family were tired of the old relative. So after some years, Juman and his family. So who is there in his family? He and his wife mentioned here. So Juman and his wife also feeling tired with that old relative, because you know that she was an old aunt, and after taking care of 2 or 3 years, they were feeling bored with that relative. So Juman became as indifferent. You know what is the meaning of indifferent means? Did not take care. It has mentioned here, did not take care. So 2 or 3 years later, Juman became changed. So indifference changed to her as his wife. So Juman and his wife both were changed to the old aunt, who grasped even the little food that the old lady wanted every day. So here, grossed means what I have already told you, that unhappy about giving. It means Juman also Juman was not agree to give a little food to that old lady every day. So the grossed means did not want to give or unhappy to give. Now she swallowed. So what is the meaning of swallowed? Means adjust. Okay. So first she tolerate. She adjust. Okay. She adjusted all the things. These insults. So insults means these things. Those things were happening with her. She tried to adjust all the things. Okay. Now she swallowed these insults along with her food for a few months, but patience has its limit. But finally, that old aunt did not take any patience. So, what was happening next? So, here it happened next. One day, she spoke to Juman. One day, that old aunt said to Juman, "My son, it is now obvious that I am not wanted in your house." Now, when Juman Sheikh and his wife did not give any single food to that old aunt, so old aunt decided to leave his house. Okay, so that old aunt said to Juman, "Kindly give me a monthly allowance," means monthly money, "so that I can set up a separate kitchen." So here separate kitchen means that the old aunt wanted to what? Make food separately, because that Juman Sheikh and his wife did not give special care to that old lady. So my wife knows best how to run the house. Be patient, said Juman. So at first Juman said to that old aunt, "Don't worry, ma. My wife is here and she knows how to take the special care of you. So be patient." This made his aunt very angry, and she decided to take her case to village panchayat. Okay. So what happened? So when Juman said to Oland, "Don't worry, ma, you stay here. My wife is here. Don't worry. She can take special care, or she will take special care to all of you." So listening this word, that old aunt became angry, and she said to Juman Sheikh, "Don't talk with me later. I don't want to stay with you, and I also want to raise a complaint in panchayat against you." So finally, that old aunt raised a complaint against Juman Sheikh in the panchayat. So this is my explanation. So hope you understand about thing. So don't worry. In the next class, I will tell what happened next. Thank you, students.